Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what to do when your truck or car is not turning over and all it does is ding ding ding, like cranking over, trying to crank over but won't start. What you're gonna want to do is go to where you have your cold air intake or your filter. You're gonna get some of this starter fluid. You can get this cheap one at Walmart and stuff for like $2-3 bucks. What you're gonna want to do is spray it in there. Spray it. This is the 350/57 Chevy 92. What you're gonna want to do is after you get it on, you're gonna want to go back in and hit your gas. You're gonna go back in here. And your truck's on, guys. That's how you turn on your car if it doesn't want to start. That's all you gotta do, guys. Stay tuned and subscribe.